got in. Really? Yeah. No, I'll just read it again. I got in. No, I just can't believe it. Wow! Hi, I'm Syna Jain and I'm currently studying at the British School. I applied to the University of Cambridge, London School of Economics, UCL, King's and Warwick for economics, and I worked with Mr. Gwyn Day.
Syna, you are ridiculously smart. You're great, and you have your own perspective. And to be honest, that was a challenge. It was about reining that back, about your particular view of the world and your particular view of the problems that we were talking about, in order to be open to the communication that the professors and that the admissions tutors were looking for.
I joined Rostrum in 2022, and at that time, I think like every other high school student, I had so many doubts about the application process. But Rostrum Education helped me through all of them, throughout the entire process and throughout the entire journey of me working with them. Whenever I had a doubt or a question, I always texted them and they would always get back to me really quickly. And that helped me so much. And that made the process so much less daunting for me. Our overall experience with Rostrum was exceptionally positive. The level of guidance and support they gave to Syna, all the mentors what they gave to Syna was incredible. I think that was one of the main reasons I got an offer from my dream university, which is the University of Cambridge. They helped me work on research papers and other extracurriculum activities as well, and that's why I chose Rostrum over other counsellors.
You did great. The research that you did and which paid off with regards to the Argentinian economy, the research that you did and the time you spent on game theory problems was great. It was absolutely fantastic.
So I joined Rostrum in 2022 and they helped me throughout my application process a lot. They helped me write my SOP or the personal statement. Actually, we were really confused about the SOP, what to submit, and we were really very confused what we want to do. Then actually Rostrum really, all the mentors really supported us. Maybe it's 3 a.m. at the night or early in the morning. They were always there to help us, and then they help us to achieve that pathway she wants to go. And now she's in Cambridge. Because of Rostrum, now we have achieved whatever we wanted. Her dream college is Cambridge, and she got through. When she got the acceptance, it was like a wow moment. So I wasn't too sure which universities I wanted to apply to before I joined Rostrum Education, but the mentors here helped me really understand what I want and where I want to go. They looked at academic factors and ranking of each college as well as more holistic factors, and they really helped me find the best fit of a college. So they helped me write my personal statement, which was probably the hardest part about my application process. They helped me in every part of my application process. So what set Rostrum apart for me was the communication I had with them. I feel as though most of other counselling services and most other counsellors, they only connect with you on a more academic basis, but while interacting with Rostrum Education, they supported me emotionally throughout the process as well, and that was extremely helpful for me. So mentors help. They were not only the advisors, but they become the cheerleaders to Syna. So I think like most high schoolers, I had a million doubts about my application process. I probably had a question every day, and I could always send a text to the Rostrum team, even if it was 3 a.m. at night and I was stressing out about colleges. And they always addressed that on time, and that really helped me emotionally as well as academically. So I met with my mentor every week for 30 minutes, and the number of times I met with him started increasing as my interview came closer. We essentially had mini mock interviews during each of these sessions, which really helped me feel prepared and confident before going into the actual interview that I had with the University of Cambridge. They gave me a billion tips, and a lot of them really helped me, whether it was on how I present myself, how I talk, or about the content of what I'm saying. I think one of the most important lessons I learned was to trust the process. during the entire process, I had doubts, whether it be about my personal statement or my preparation for the interview. But at the end of the day, I think it's really important just to trust yourself and trust your process.
Definitely, she became very, very confident, and it was beyond our expectations that we can, what Rostrum has done for us, it is like beyond our expectations. Thanks to Rostrum, thanks to the team of Rostrum.
I think the advice I would like to give to these students would be to trust themselves and trust Rostrum Education, because at the end of the day, it's not about, at the end of the day, everyone has doubts and you just need to trust yourself.